Heard about Indophil? If not, then this video is for you. Let's see how Indophil can boost your investment portfolio. Indophil Industries Limited is in the agro specialty and innovative solution business for about 6 decades. Founded in 1962, Indophil Industries is one of the leading agrochemical manufacturers, distributors and marketers with a fully integrated framework across products. The company performs exceptionally well both in agricultural chemicals as well as specialty and performance chemicals business. Being a part of the KK Modi Group, the company operates as an integrated multi-product chemical company. It has 5 operating subsidiaries, 4 representative offices, 3 manufacturing units and 1 Thane plant, 1 head office and a global network in 120 plus countries. Indian agrochemical companies have expedited the growth of new products to the market in the past 2 years, which has contributed to the revenue. According to India Brand Equity Foundation, the Indian chemical industry stood at USD 178 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach USD 304 billion by 2025, registering a CAGR of 9.3%. And as per the Enigma Marketing Research Report, the Indian agrochemical market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 8.6% between 2021 and 2026 and will reach USD 7.4 billion by 2026, which was USD 4.5 billion in 2020. As the company operates both in B2B and B2C business segments and the international markets, the company has seen a significant rise in the individual customers. Now coming to its financials, March 2024 revenue was Rs 3,119 crore versus Rs 3,086 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 1%. PAT was Rs 274 crore in March 2024 versus Rs 187 crore in the previous year, which is a growth of 46%. And the EPS went from Rs 113 in March 2023 to Rs 156 per share in March 2024. With outstanding shares of 2.14 crore, their market cap at the current share price stands at 3,482.85 crore with a PE multiplier of 10.5. And now talking about its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of the shareholding rights. With domestic and international presence, Indophil Industries have made an amazing record by providing its exceptional services and is all set to achieve higher profit in the future. So if you want to invest in unlisted shares, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.